evil Ratchet Hood was robbing from the rich and keeping the money for himself. Mega Brain and his merry band of brains had to help me stop Ratchet Hood's half-and-half mutants. The merry brains all had minds of their own, which caused some major intergalactic goof-ups. Find out what happens next.
Charlie, buddy, looks like an ambush here.
Stop! In the name of Ratchet Hood! All right, rich boy! Fork over the finances!
Yeah. And give us all your money, too.
Well, don't just stand there, meatbag! Pick it up!
I'd be delighted, Sir Ratchet Hood.
All right! Nothing like robbing from the rich to give to the poor! Me! You mean this is the 10th time Ratchet has stolen money meant for the Clean Earth Foundation?
That's right. The Clean Earth Foundation may have to close down. As a matter of fact, Elder Number 1 is at the Foundation right now, promising them that you, Widget, will stop Ratchet and save the day. Secret delivery routes have been tried, but Ratchet's spies always manage to discover them.
But what would a rat like Ratchet possibly want with money?
Nothing. He simply hopes to weaken the Clean Earth Foundation enough to create ecological chaos. This will allow him to take over Earth and trash it. That's why you must go to the United Kingdom and stop him before it's too late.
But the United Kingdom consists of England, Wales, and Scotland. Which part should I go to?
Oh, Widget. The part that has the problem, of course.
Well, that really clears things up. I better call on Mega Brain for some mega help.
Sorry, I'm not in right now. I've gone to the Brain Unit Rejects class reunion.
Oh.
Please leave your message at the beep. Beep.
Oh, this watcher can't wait. I need Mega Brain right now. Let's see, I think he said the reunion was in the Scorch dimension.
I just love pinning the tail on the North Bladder, don't you?
I can do this. I know I can. I can. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
Oh, Mega Brain, you're colder than a frozen fish.
Aye, you better shift your bearings a bit. Give me a break, guys. I just got started.
Yeah, 23 minutes and 15 nanoseconds ago.
Paging Mr. Mega Brain. Call for Mr. Mega Brain. Call for...
I did it! Am I an expert or what?
Interdimensional phone call for you, sir. From planet Earth.
Now that's what I call long distance. Thank you. Maybe he won't notice. Hello? This is the one and only Mega Brain. Oh, hi, Widget. Really? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh, all right. I'll be right there. Looks like the party's over for me. I've been called away on urgent business.
But you can't leave yet, Mega Brain. You haven't even sung the Raw Raw Rejects fight song.
That's right.
I'm sorry, Brain Bros, but duty calls.
Sure. Everybody else rejected us, so why shouldn't you, eh?
Hey, listen. I could always use a little extra help.
Yeah! Let's go, everybody! Right!
We'll bust my bra You mean you'd take us along on your important mission?
Why not? You have the same skills I have.
Well, in spite of that, I bet we can still be a big help, eh?
Of course. Now I have to deputize you first, so give me your heads. There! You're official.
Well, slap me on the back and call me Bob. Congratulations to you.
Arr! This will finally be a chance for us rejects to prove ourselves worthy.
And rejects throughout the galaxy will finally be able to hold their heads high.
All right, Brain Bros, let's hear a great big Rejects roar. R-E-J-E-C-T-S! Rejects, rejects, we're the best!
Over here!
Thrusters? Check. Rear deflectors? Check. Starboard? Huh?
Tis I, your fearless companion Mega Brain, ready to do your bidding.
Mega Brain, are you feeling all right?
Never better, my Lord Widget. Now behold, I've brought with me my able-brained comrades to help vanquish our sinister foe.
Able-brained comrades?
Come forward, yon band of merry brains!
Huh? Mega Brain, this mission is for highly trained world-watching experts, not...
Hey, thanks for giving us this chance, Widget.
But I didn't.
Yeah, you don't know what it's like to find somebody who believes in us. After years of constant humiliation and rejection.
Yeah, well, you see, you just can't, I just wanted to welcome you aboard. I thought I got emotionally involved with my work. My interstellar adventure will continue right after these Earther messages. Jazz and Jupiter, time to return to Widget. That's me.
Sir Widget, if ye intend to join with us, you can at least learn the words. All right, yon merry brains, verse 982.
We're Mega Brain and his merry brains, and we're feared wherever we go. No rejects, we just wait and see. We'll soon defeat our foe.
We are down.
Merry, 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 merry Mega Brains.
At last.
Ahem. Gotta give my throat a little space spritz.
Whoa, crashing comets. I can't see a thing.
Well, I'm sweating like a hog in a hothouse. Whew. Man, it feels good.
There! Good as new, thanks to my brilliant salvage plan.
Now listen, all of you. I'm the apprentice world watcher here, so you've got to start following my directions. Got it?
Got it!
So, what should we do first, Sir Mega Brain?
Must be my magnetic personality.
Uh-oh. I smell something funny.
Oh, must be the head cheese sandwich in my lunchbox. Want some?
Bubbling betazoids! Look!
Something is ablaze!
What should we do?
We've got to put our heads together. Oh, definitely a poor choice of words.
That's the last of it, Sir Ratchet Hood.
Good thing I have
Foundation strangling the forest. My favorite. And thanks to me, the Clean Earth Foundation can't afford to do a thing about it.
Hey, Ratchet Hood, can I take a break? I've been on my paws since yesterday.
Yeah, get out of my sight. Hey, Butterbrain, you forgot something.
Oh, yeah. Huh? Not again.
What? Sorry, Ratchet, but campfires are absolutely not allowed.
Of course, I was the one who invented the flame foiler.
Man, the trash tossers! Trash away! At last, I'm finally gonna nail that little purple punk!
Merry Brains, you know what to do!
Right!
Come on, guys. Huh?
Whoa! Hold him tighter! We want to make sure he can't change into anything!
Huh? Where am I?
What's wrong, Widget? Get a little wrapped up in your work?
You won't get away with this, Ratchet. Any second now, my loyal assistants will bravely leap out of the shuttle and lend a hand ahead. Won't you guys? Okay. So they need a few more seconds.
Sorry, you purple pain. I ain't got a few more seconds. You know where to take him. Finally, the last obstacle standing in the way of my success is out of my way.
Purple pulsars and quaking quasars. I'll be back after these messages. Now back to the awesome interplanetary adventures of Widget. That's me.
Poor Widget, a prisoner of that garbage grabbing Ratchet Hood.
We didn't do a thing to help.
Yeah, I guess we are nothing but a bunch of rejects.
Listen, there's still time to save Widget, and we're just the brains to do it.
We'd only make the matters worse.
Fear not, ye merry brains. Ye shall have the leadership of Sir Mega Brain.
Let me go.
Oh, you'll be going right after I give my self-polluting trash shrinker a test. Dump it in.
It works. That's smaller than...
Your brain. All right, junk that jerk.
Who? Me?
Yeah, you. See you when you get out. And remember, think small.
Whoa!
Cease and desist, you scoundrels!
Huh?
'Tis I, Mega Brain, and his band of merry brains, heeding the call of a watcher in distress.
Oh, yeah? Well, if you're a band, where's your musical instruments?
Stick it to 'em, Ratcheteers!
They're never gonna pull this off without my help.
Have at them, hardy helpmates!
This is just like roping cosmic cattle back home. Whoa!
This magneso bonk bow will bring my point across.
Do I have to do everything myself? Yeah! Here! Take that!
One order of apple sauce coming up.
I've got to help them. Huh?
Come on! You build rats! I'll take on the whole lot of you!
They never saw that coming.
Third time's a charm.
I just hope I can get loose enough to transform. Fear not, brain units. Widget, the World Watcher, honorary Knight of the Round Table, is here. Whoa, you didn't need me after all.
And now to send these bad boys back where they belong.
And just how you gonna do that, Bubblehead?
I'm glad you asked that question. Some of my mega devices will do the trick. All right, you round them up with the turbo lasso. You open a hole in time with the temporal power decelerator. You create an energy envelope with the magneso bunk thruster. You clear a subspace path with the subspace ether beam interspace generator. And I'll give them a lift with my anti-gravity gripper. Now, when you get my signal, press your activate button. Ready? Go!
Okie doke, let's tie this whole thing up.
This should handle the whole bunch of them.
Especially after I wrap 'em up!
I'll build him a little cosmic highway for him to travel on.
And my anti-gravity gripper will give us a big hand in pulling this all together. Wow!
You'll never take me, you bogus bonehead!
Yes, again. Yahoo! We did it! Oh, boy, that was
This cosmically cool adventure will continue right after these messages. Jazz and Jupiter, time to return to Widget. That's me.
Well, Earth is once again safe. Now that Ratchet and his rats are back in their trasher dimension.
Bottoms up.
I've got to admit it. You guys did a great job.
You think that was great? Just wait till you hear our victory song.
Oh, boy.
La 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 la. We're Mega Brain and his very brains. And we just defeated our foe. We've got a new life and a cave for a home, so we never want to go. We are the merry, 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 merry.
Oh, brother. Here we go again.
Along with Mega.
Mother said there would be days and nights like this. Oh, well.